Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout, and with the iPhone 11 coming up, I just wanted to share a 1-year video on my iPhone XS Max, and this is more related to battery life than anything else. It's not really a 1-year review of the phone, but after 1 year on the iPhone XS Max, my battery life is still at 99%, and that just recently dropped to 99%. It had been sitting at 100 this whole time, and I just wanted to go over how I've maintained that, what I've done, and really how I keep it so high. And the first thing is, on iOS 13 I have been using the optimized battery charging feature, which optimizes the charging based on when you use your phone the most. So it will sit around 80% charge until you need your phone. So say you plug in your phone at night with this on, it's going to charge up to 80%, stay there, and then right before you wake up it's going to finish charging. So if it knows you usually start using your phone about 6 a.m., it'll start charging your phone to have it to 100% by that time. I've never had an issue using this feature where my phone isn't charged past 80%, so it's always fully charged. I've never had that issue where it doesn't finish charging or anything like that. It doesn't really matter when I'm using my phone, so that always works well for me. I've never had a problem with that. Other things, I just charge my phone when it needs to be charged. I plug it in when I have a chance, like if I'm in my car using CarPlay, I plug it in. That doesn't seem to affect the battery at all either. So things like that, a lot of people are just worried about when they plug their phone in and how long they plug their phone in for. I don't care, I just plug it in when I plug it in, and as you can see, it really hasn't affected the health of the battery. Batteries like this, one cycle is 50 to, like if you charge at 50%, that's half a cycle, another 50% is half a cycle. So if you're at 25% and you charge it to 100%, that's 75% of one cycle. So if you go back down to 75% and then charge it to 100%, you've completed a cycle. It's not how many times you plug it in individually. So that's how I keep my iPhone XS Max at 100% or 99% now. We'll see if after the next beta this changes. Sometimes betas do affect this, so we'll see if that changes after the next beta or not. But that's my iPhone XS Max after 1 year of usage. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.